I've been incorporating fermented foods like kefir, kimchi, and kombucha in my diet, and I've noticed a huge improvement in my gut health.
Really? I've heard of those foods, but I don't know much about them. How do they help with gut health?
Fermented foods contain bacteria that can help restore the balance of good bacteria in your gut that antibiotics can disrupt. They also contain prebiotics that feed the good bacteria in your gut.
That makes sense. But aren't fermented foods high in salt and sugar?
Yes, some fermented foods can be high in salt and sugar, but there are many varieties that are low in both. Plus, the benefits of the good bacteria outweigh the potential negatives of salt and sugar.
I see your point. So, which fermented foods do you recommend?
Well, kefir is a great source of probiotics and can be used in smoothies or as a substitute for milk. And kimchi is a spicy fermented cabbage that's high in probiotics and can be eaten as a side dish or added to soups and stews. And kombucha is a fermented tea that's high in probiotics and can be enjoyed as a cold, refreshing drink.
Wow, those all sound delicious. I'll have to give them a try.
Definitely. Just make sure to start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake to avoid any digestive discomfort.
Thanks for the advice. I'm excited to try incorporating these fermented foods into my diet and improve my gut health.
You're welcome. Remember, a healthy gut is key to overall health and well-being.